Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to bring you this beautiful and interesting looking motorcycle, the Bluroc Hunt XC125. This one will be available in my country in three colors, the black, blue and this green, which personally is the one that I like the most. The seat height 745 millimeters, so everyone will reach the floor on this motorcycle. I think it's a plus. Total weight 118 kilograms, so it makes it very agile and maneuverable in the middle of the traffic. And you do have this 15 liters tank capacity, which gives you 4 long rides with this beautiful motorcycle. But before that, and before we hit the road, we're gonna start with the specs, starting with the front, where we do have here on the front this beautiful headlight. Everything it's LED, turn signals also LED. You have these deflectors here on the side, which is okay. Suspension, telescopic hydraulic, 37 millimeters. One disc, 275 millimeters. And to complete the set, we do have these spoke rims, 18 inches, with the Team Zoom tires dimensions 4.10. If we take a look at the rear of the motorcycle, we start with the seat. It's a single seat for two. It should be more comfortable. All the lights, everything like in the front, it's LED. The double oil spring shock absorber that comes in the back. The exhaust, it has a really nice design. One disc, 210 millimeters. The brakes, it's combined brake system, so there is no ABS on this motorcycle. And the set is complete with these 18-inch rims, the spoke rims, again with the Team Zoom tires with the dimensions 120/90. The engine of this motorcycle, it's a one-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled, 125 cc's. It has 11.3 horsepower, a torque of 7.4 newtons, Euro 5 engine, and it comes equipped with a 5-speed gearbox. To complete all this set, we do have a central stand and a side stand. Other things like the handlebar, the dashboard, the lights and how the bike behaves, we will talk while riding. And on this subject, let's go and hit the road. Here we are on board of the Hunt XC125, and this is designed basically for new riders or someone with the car license that wants to start in the 125. And because this engine is 11.3 horsepower, it's not very powerful. It is doable for your commutes, work, home, and little commutes around your city and all that stuff. It's more than enough. But it should be like a 15 horsepower. It will be more pleasant, especially to ride on these roads when there is no traffic. When there's traffic, having 11 horsepower or 15 horsepower doesn't matter. But without traffic, those 4 or 5 horsepower difference, we do miss them, okay? But again, this is the Hunt, and I'm talking about the Hunt, and the Hunt 11.3. It's top speed I was able to do was 95 kilometers here on the dashboard. First thing I have to mention, this motorcycle, it only has 157 kilometers, so it's brand new. The engine, it's not settled yet, it's not the prop, it needs more time. Again, the brakes also need a little bit more time to have a better braking, or to stop even better. So there are these things that you have to take in consideration while I'm doing this review. I did the 99 kilometers only one time because I wanted to see how she would behave. And you have to remember that I'm 93 kilograms. I am carrying all my recording stuff on my back, so it's another 5 kilograms. So you're talking about 100 kilograms on top of the motorcycle. I live in the windy area. The roads were not as clear as they are today, so there are all those circumstances. But 100 kilometers an hour on the dashboard, it's more than enough for me. The motorcycle, it has also good things, okay? The lights are really good on this motorcycle. The rear suspension, it's good. The 15-liter capacity on the tank, it's enough for 400 and something kilometers. The buttons, they are medium quality, okay? They are not those cheap Chinese buttons. They are medium, they are not premium, but they are okay. I don't mind this. And basically the look of the motorcycle, it's what will sell this motorcycle. I know there are other models, but like the MT125, the CB125 and another 125s that have better materials than this one, that have better things than this one, but also they have bigger price than this one. This one at this moment it's 3,099 euros here, at least, plus documents here in my country, and for that price I think it is a good solution. You can expect a motorcycle that will take you from A to B, not fast, but it will take you there. But then again, she's designed for you to be enjoying your commute, your route, and have fun while doing that. Other things that I don't like on this motorcycle, now it's the mirrors. I don't like these mirrors. Too much ghost on the vehicles, only 30 to 40% visibility, but that is fixable. The seat, it's a little bit stiff. Again, it's another thing that it's fixable. The only thing that it's not fixable, it's this engine that would need to be more powerful. And also 6-speed gearbox. I really don't understand 5-speed gearbox nowadays, but it is what it is. She doesn't like going half wheels with this 11.3 horsepower. She will complain. She will do it, but she will do it slow, which means you have to stick to the right side of the road, like I am now. Now I'm not pushing it, okay? Now I'm talking to you. I'm not even pushing the motorcycle because I'm trying to respect until the first maintenance, the top speed, the RPMs and all that stuff, okay? I just did one time to see how she behaved. The rest of the time I've been respecting everything. But like I said, going uphill and all that stuff, you start at 85 kilometers, in the middle you are doing 71, 72, by the end of the hill you are at the 65, 63 kilometers an hour, which is more than enough if you stick to your lane and don't worry about whatever it's coming behind you. This is my opinion. This is a motorcycle for you to enjoy and not worry about traffic. If you need a little bit more power, this one is not the one for you. There's a little vibration from this one-cylinder engine, which makes it fun. Here the dashboard, I talked to you, but I didn't tell you all the information that you have. You have the battery, you have a clock, you have the fuel level, you have the odometer, and if you press this button here on the side, you can change from trip 1, the RPMs, the gear indicator, and the speed. Everything with a blue background, which is nice. You don't see it here, but I tried it the other day at night, as you will see on these pictures. The blue, oh, there's the blue there, the blue background, and you can see it's a really nice background. The lights also, LED lights, they shine really nice on the street. That's a plus on the motorcycle. And then on the handlebar, none of the levers have adjustments, and on this side we do have passing lights, high beams, low beams, turn signals, and a horn. On the right side, the kill switch, hazard lights, and the starter of the motorcycle. So like you can see, the buttons are reasonable good quality. I do like the riding position. I'm a tall guy, okay, 1m85. My legs are well fitted against the tank, no edges annoying me. Front suspension could be better. The rear suspension, it's okay, nothing to complain. The front one should be a little bit better. Like I said, the brakes, they do need to settle a little bit more. It's a brand new motorcycle with now it's 162 kilometers, so they need to settle more. Again, combined brake system. If you do hard brake with your pedal of the rear brake, you will listen to the rear wheel slide on the road, because there is no ABS on this beautiful XS 125. And I think I've showed you and talked to you about everything, the good and the not so good, and what can be improved on this beautiful motorcycle. If you did like this presentation of this motorcycle, you know what you have to do. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my future videos, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. And now I'm gonna show you how she behaves in the middle of traffic, because I'm gonna do something like this and go here, and as you can see, when there is traffic you don't need 15 horsepower, 11 horsepower, it's more than enough for you to do your commute. I know some of you are gonna say this is not legal, blah blah blah. It's gonna depend on what country you are. Here, at least in my country, almost everyone does this lane splitting. So again, it's not legal, but we do it. And now it's the time I'm gonna say bye.